Here is the hard truth about Etsy. You can make something beautiful, list it, and still have almost no one find it. The Etsy Listing Optimization Kit fixes that. A calm, repeatable way to rework your whole shop so your best work gets found and then gets chosen. It starts with the words shoppers actually type. The keyword worksheet gives you 200 terms across 10 crafts. Score each one on relevance, buyer intent, competition, and fit, and your strongest keywords float to the top. The terms your titles and tags should lead with. Your title is the highest leverage field on a listing, so the kit hands you 12 title formulas with 60 worked examples. Pick a pattern, fill in the blanks, and your title front-loads the phrase a buyer searches for, and still reads like a real sentence. Then you grade every listing against one 13-point checklist: title, tags, photos, alt text, description, policies, and processing time. The Excel workbook totals the score for you, so you know which weak spot to fix first. Getting found is only half the job. To get chosen, the kit gives all 10 photo slots a clear job by craft, plus 12 full descriptions you can paste in and customize, written in the order that answers a shopper's questions, so more browsers become buyers. And because finishing is the hard part, it all runs on a 30-day plan. 3 listings a day, about 75 in a month, with a split test tracker, so you keep only what actually moves your numbers. It is a set of print-ready guides, plus a working Excel workbook, an instant download from Ardent Workshop. Build the keyword bank once, rework 3 listings a day, and turn a shop that is hard to find into one that gets found and gets chosen.